There's a secret most people miss. Your hair's biggest growth happens while you sleep. But only if you treat it right before bed. This night hair care routine is designed to protect your strands, stop breakage, and boost growth naturally. You don't need complicated products or hours of effort, just a few mindful steps every night. Ready to transform your hair while you rest? Let's get into it. Step 1. Calm and stimulate your scalp. The foundation of healthy hair growth is a happy scalp. Before anything else, spend 2 to 3 minutes massaging your scalp, even if you're not using oil every night. Use your fingertips in small circular motions, applying gentle but firm pressure. This simple ritual wakes up your hair follicles by increasing blood flow, sending fresh oxygen and nutrients where your hair grows. Plus, it's incredibly relaxing, a perfect way to prepare your mind and body for restful sleep. Pro tip: if your scalp feels dry or tight, you can add a few drops of a light growth oil here, but it's not mandatory every night. Step 2. Nourish your roots with growth-boosting oils. Oiling your scalp is like giving your roots a natural vitamin boost. But remember, less is more. On oil nights, use just a few drops of lightweight oils that encourage hair growth. Think rosemary, amla, fenugreek, or pumpkin seed oil. Warm the oil slightly between your palms before applying. This helps it absorb better and feels luxurious on the scalp. Press the oil gently into your scalp, focusing on areas where growth is slow or hair feels thin. Don't forget, heavy oiling every night can weigh hair down or clog pores, so balance is key. Step 3. Detangle softly to protect every strand. Breakage can undo all your growth efforts. That's why detangling gently before bed is essential. Always start at the ends of your hair and work your way up slowly. Use a wide tooth comb or your fingers to avoid pulling. Avoid rushing this step. Treat your strands like delicate treasures. Every knot you carefully loosen helps prevent breakage and split ends. It's not just about what you do during the day. Protecting hair at night is just as important. Step 4. Protective styling. Before you rest, style your hair in a way that reduces friction and tangling overnight. Loose braids or buns are perfect choices. They keep hair contained without pulling or stressing strands. Use a silk or satin scrunchie to tie your hair. Avoid elastic bands that tug or cause breakage. This simple protective styling prevents the friction that causes split ends and breakage, so your hair stays healthy and ready to grow. Step 5. Silk pillowcase or satin bonnet for extra care. Cotton pillowcases can dry your hair out and cause friction, leading to frizz and breakage. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase, or wearing a satin bonnet, helps keep your hair smooth and hydrated while you sleep. It's a simple swap that makes a big difference, especially for long or delicate hair. Bonus: light scalp mist for non-oil nights. On nights when you don't oil, you can refresh and soothe your scalp with a light mist. Rose water, rosemary tea, or aloe-infused water sprays work beautifully to hydrate your roots and calm any irritation. Spritz lightly. This adds a little boost without weighing your hair down. Consistency is your hair's best friend. Following these gentle nighttime steps every day can transform your hair over time, helping it grow longer, thicker, and stronger while preventing damage. It's not about overnight miracles. It's about the loving care you give yourself each night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this video so you can come back to your hair care ritual anytime.
Sweet dreams, and even sweeter hair growth ahead. See you next time. Bye.